The 2010 Ford Escape XLT. Powered by a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine with a 6-speed automatic transmission, this vehicle, with fewer than 40,000 miles on the odometer, gets up to 28 miles per gallon. This Ford features front-wheel drive, dual front airbags, and alloy wheels. Safety features include traction control, ABS, and stability control. Comfort and convenience features include power windows, satellite radio, and a CD player with MP3. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.